In 1944, a 7,000-ton ship loaded with ammunition exploded in the Bombay docks. Only one thing survived that blast: the first Indian safe, made by Godrej. That mission to make history continues.
When Queen visited India, she chose a Godrej safe to keep her jewelry and other valuables wherever she stayed in the country. For millions of Indians, the Queen's decision is no surprise at all. During the Gulf War, one of the few things that came through unscathed was a Godrej safe. It had resisted burglary, defied fire, and survived collapse of the building it was installed in. A similar incident occurred in a leading nationalized bank's branch at a refinery site in southern India during a major blast and fire. All the valuables stored inside the Godrej safe were found intact.